So on the top of page 505, we're going to look at the second kind of non-linear equation we're going to work with today. And this shape, this V shape that you see at the top, is created when you're talking about absolute value. You'll notice that the equation says y equals the absolute value of x. So in our table we have x, then the absolute value of x would be the rule, and so y is whatever the absolute value of x is. So in the first case, if x is -2, the absolute value of -2 is 2, so our ordered pair would be -2, 2. Raise your hand if you have any questions about absolute value. We taught this in the beginning of the year and the middle of the year. And remember, it's how many hops from 0? What's the distance from 0? And then when you graph those ordered pairs, it makes this shape. So we're going to look and do number 2 now. The first thing we need is another table. So in your lined paper, we're going to do a 4-column table. And the first column would be x. The second column is the rule, which is 2 times the absolute value of x. Third column is y. And the last column, of course, is ordered pair. Okay, and they want us to go this time from -2 to 2. So x is -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. The rule is 2 times the absolute value of x. What's the absolute value of -2? Raise your hand and show me the fingers. The absolute value of -2. Lift your fingers on the ground. Indeed, it is 2, so 2 times 2. We're going to do this complete column down. Nick, what's the absolute value of -1? Good, so it would be 2 times 1. The absolute value of 0 is 0, because the distance from 0 is 0 for 0, right? And then the absolute value of 1 is 1, so we have 2 times 1, and then 2 times 2. Before you leave your table, please show to your neighbor that you have that figure correctly, and then solve the y. And find your ordered pairs.